Hi, I'm Kristin Bryan, Director of Culinary Innovation, and this is HelloFresh, Cooking Tips 101 Leveled Up, the series where we break down useful culinary techniques to help take your cooking skills to the next level. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a roulade. Roulade comes from the French word roulere, which means to roll. As a dish, it can be sweet or savory. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to do it with an Italian flair, with chicken, mozzarella, and prosciutto. First, we'll pat the chicken breast dry with a paper towel. And then we're going to place the chicken between two pieces of plastic wrap. Just like this. Pound with a mallet or a rolling pin until about 1/4 inch thick. When you're finished pounding out the chicken, then you season it with a little garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Now I'm going to line up the chicken with the edge of my work surface. This just makes it easier to roll. Place the cheese on the chicken, and then begin to roll the chicken, moving the plastic wrap as you roll until it's very, very tight. There you go. Next, we're going to lay 2 slices of prosciutto beside each other, and then place your chicken roulade on top. We're going to roll, gently tucking in the sides as you go. If you have little leftover pieces of prosciutto, that'll keep everything tight. And pull the plastic wrap away, and there you have it, your roulade. I'm going to sear it to develop a crispy crust and then finish it in the oven. So I hope I've shown you that it's much easier than you think to master this classic French technique. I'm so excited for you to try it. If you're looking to brush up on more kitchen techniques, don't miss the rest of the series from our HelloFresh Cooking Tips 101.